Hello guys, in this video we're highlighting the Graco Ultra 390PC Electric Airless Sprayer, a reliable and versatile tool from Graco. This Graco sprayer will significantly enhance your projects, allowing you to paint surfaces up to 6 times faster than with a roller and 14 times faster than with a brush. With the right technique, it also delivers a superior finish. Weighing just 13.6 kg, this lightweight and portable stand unit is perfect for both interior and exterior painting jobs. It's easy to move around and store, making it ideal for new painting tradies and DIY enthusiasts, as well as a great backup for touch-ups and small jobs. This sprayer is an excellent choice for general purpose applications but is not recommended for roofs. It is classified as an entry model in professional range sprayers with a maximum tip size of 0.019 inch. The 390PC handles a variety of materials including varnish, lacquers, acrylics, primers and undercoats. It features Graco's ProConnect system for quick pump removal and replacement, an endurance pump with long life VMAX components and 2 inner valves, a quick access intake valve for easy cleaning and consistent pressure control for a smooth spray pattern. Additionally, it includes a separate filter on the sprayer body and a pressure gauge on the filter for precise control. The package includes the 390PC stand unit, an upgraded serviceable Contractor PC gun, a gun mesh filter 50, and a 6.4mm X15 and BlueMax II airless hose. It also comes with a low pressure 507 tip. For added functionality, pair it with Graco's jet troller products. Don't forget to use Graco's pump armor and lubricate the pump with throat seal liquid to keep your sprayer in peak condition. Made in the USA. The 390PC comes with a 3-year warranty. For more details, visit the product description.